Hi, Ashrita. I really want to go over the questions that you had mentioned, Ashrita.
Okay.
And on that G2EB, you need not do any of the transformations, guys. Maybe I'll show you. See, one thing is about the YouTube recording. If I do something on share the classroom and all, it is removing, meaning YouTube removes the recording. So I'm going to stop the recording or pause it. Let's see. Let me pause it. What do you do?
If you don't finish on time.
Oh, that's okay. Doesn't matter. Just finish 2 questions. Whatever questions you do, I accept, I'm saying. You don't have to finish on time at all. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, only 5 minutes. Okay, we need to study something as well as a part of the class. I wanted to have this just to make sure, but see where you are all in. Okay, it's going to be a 5-minute timer. Okay, I will share the timer with you, and these are the questions. The timer starts right now.
That's 52, 58, 60, 70, 75, 77.
You have to mute yourself.
Priyanti,
Yeah, ma.
it says my chat is disabled.
You have to click on the. Okay, I will send it to you, Aditi. I'll send it to you. You can go work. I'll send it to you. You can reply to that. Ananya, no sending one by one. You're not going to send answers one by one. You have to send it together.
Miss Priya, which one is it? You haven't, I don't see anything. It's just my chat is disabled.
That's because Shankari. Why chat is not disabled? Go to that blue color left top left corner blue color box. Click on it, ma. Then type my name. You'll get it. Search by name comes up, right? I'll show you strategies only for a few today. Okay, but the questions are going to be like this from next week.
Miss Priya, you're on mute. We can't hear you.
Okay, see, that's the deal. Okay, sorry. Thank you.
What is the answer?
Not 60.
For the first one, right, Adya? Oh, I was telling on mute, mute, mute. Okay, Adya, why did you write 72 for the first one? Thank you for letting me know I was on mute. I didn't realize it.
21 into 30.
So, okay, let's see, guys. Okay, one thing, number 4 is something I want to review with you all. Number 4, everybody knows, okay, but most of you have committed a mistake. Okay, I want to do that. Srimitran, good job, Srimitran. See, number 4 is again incorrect. Everybody has got that number. Akshara, number 4 is correct. Hey, guys, I'm so proud. You know the highest that was attended? Question number
Ma'am?
8 was the highest.
Ma'am,
Question, Yama.
how do I send it?
Kamala, that was super fast, Kamala. How do you send it in chat?
No, I wrote everything, but I cannot send it.
Copy and send it, ma. Get the help of your dad, right? Go to that blue box on the chat window. Go to the top left corner, blue box. Click on it, type it, and send it. Okay.
Awesome.
The highest that was given was around 8. Okay. But some of you have skipped some answers. Okay. The number 4, everybody got it wrong, I feel. Oh my God. Kamala, yours was very nicely done. Oh my God. She has touched 11, but with a few skips.
Did I get it wrong?
Yes, yeah, Shreyanka.
Did I get it wrong?
I'm checking. Yes, yes. Number 4 is incorrect, Shreyank. See, I think everybody got it wrong. The fourth one I really want to correct. What is 5 plus 5? Adya, what was your answer for this?
Ma'am, the answer is 80.
No, it's not. See, everybody is Ananya G. What was your answer for this one? Ananya G. What was the answer for this one? Ananya Valli Nayagam, you also had 80, right? This is a problem. In NSF part 2, definitely questions like this will be asked. Answer is not 18 here, okay? So here when you think about it, right? Do you all know about this? Whenever you're given something to evaluate in the sense to find out the answer for an expression like 2 plus 3 plus 9, like this, if they give you, right? This is an expression. When you want to find the value of the expression, that is evaluation. When you evaluate the value, right? You need to obey some rules. There are some rules in mathematics that you need to obey. Okay. How do you remember the rules? Srimitran, are you listening? You have to remember the rules. The rule says if there is a parenthesis, you'll have to do that first. If there is an exponent, you'll have to do that first. This is called an exponent. You'll have to do that first. Then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You all got it? Multiplication is the same as division. Addition is the same as subtraction. No less, no big. Multiplication is the same as addition. Multiplication is the same as division. Addition is the same as subtraction. Okay, now I'm waiting on Aru. Where are your answers? Oh, you got it. Okay, see, everybody has written an 80. Okay, so here, when you think about it, right, let's see 5 plus 5 plus 8. What happens to 5 plus 5 plus 8? 5 plus 5 times 8. So now, Ananya, can you tell me which one should be done first? Parenthesis is not there. Exponent is not there. Don't worry about it. Whenever you see expressions like this, multiplication, division should be done first. And then addition, subtraction. So what do you do here?
8 times 5.
8 times 5. Right? So 40 plus 5. 45 is the answer, guys. You all got it?
Okay.
Oh, yes.
500.
Got it? Okay. So basically, you know, okay. I don't want to go to distributive property right now.
Miss
Okay.
Priya,
Yeah, ma?
I knew that you had to do times first, but I forgot you should do that.
Yeah, everybody forgets every time. See, that's why, see, next week as well, the questions will mirror this. Okay, but with different numbers, the same questions will not be given. Okay, so please make sure you are well prepared. Okay, I'll send samples. Okay, you have to prepare and come, and you have to be able to touch 10, 12 questions. Okay, now let's see this one. This one is done, right? These three, I don't see any issue. when coming to addition, right, guys, 25 plus 52, I don't know how you guys are all doing, but I want you to follow some strategies as well. Okay, there are no carries, right? Do you see there are no carries? So go with the left first, you'll be faster. 7, 7. This is not for your school, but then to be good with mathematics, you need to know the strategies. At school, you will have to go with this only first. 7, 7. But here, when you see, as soon as you see, you have to see whether there are carries or not. If there are no carries, go ahead and add them quickly. Now, coming to a number is divisible by 2 or not. If the ending digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, the 2 can go evenly in this number. This number is divisible by 2 if the ending digit is an even digit. Make sense? How about this Aru? Is this divisible by 2? Is this number divisible by 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the ending digit is 8. How about this? Is this number? Number means it consists a lot of digits.
No.
No. Okay, how about Ananya G? Is this number divisible by 2?
Priyanki,
Yeah.
can I use the restroom?
Yeah, go and come back quickly, Aditi. Ananya G, is this number divisible by 2? You have to be quick, ma. Ananya G.
I don't understand.
If the ending digit is an even digit, then 2 can go evenly into this. Think about 15. If I make it 2, 2, 2, 2, if I split it into 2 2s, will there be a remainder or not, Ananya Ji?
Yeah.
Yeah, there will be, right? So 2 does not go evenly into this number. Do you see it? Does 2 go evenly in 8 if you split 2, 2, 2, 2? Will you have a remainder?
No.
No. So the ending digit of any number is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then that means it's divisible by 2. 2 can go evenly into that number. Make sense? How can you? Okay. Suppose if I split this number as 5, 5, 5, 5, I'm going to split it into many, many 5s. What will remain? What will remain? 2 will remain because 40 will be over when you go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 goes off, 2 remains. How about this, Shreyank? When you divide this number by 5, what will be the remainder? Shreyank, what will be the remainder if you divide it by 5? Huh?
No, they don't have to go for
Shreyank, divided by 5, what will be the remainder? Uh, you divide by 5, what is that?
4?
No, think and okay, Shreyank, I'll give you clues. Shall I give you clues? Okay. So basically count by 5. When you count by 5, what happens? When you count by 5, what happens? 5, see, let me write it down for you. See, this is why I want multiplication tables to be perfect before we start this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Did you see the pattern? It always has a 5 or a 0, 5 or a 0, 5 or a 0, right? Now, if you have the number 93, what will remain? You can go till what? 85, then 90, but what will remain?
3.
3. Good job. Prayang, did you get that? Okay, now if you go ahead, let's say I have a number 4183. Okay, I keep on splitting it into 2s. If you divide by 2, dividing is splitting. If you keep on splitting 2, take away 2, take away 2, take away 2, take away 2. If you keep on removing 2s, you're subtracting 2, subtracting 2, subtracting 2, subtracting 2. What will remain, Srimitran? What will remain? Okay, let me go ahead with the 2. 2, 4. If I take away 2, 2 will go. If I take away another 2, 4 will go. If I take away another 2, 6 will go. Another 2, 8 will go. So like that, if I keep meaning, I want to keep telling the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again, the same pattern repeats. See here, 12, 14. Do you see here the last digit? It can always end up with a 24680. 24680. Do you see it, guys? So now, if I split this number, let's say, let me take a smaller number, 40, 53. If I take a smaller number, what will happen? I keep on going 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. If I keep on going like this, right? I can go till 52. Then I'll go to a 54. So what will remain? Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, is it 1?
1. Good job. After 52, I have only 1 remaining. I can't go for a 2.
Didn't understand.
Let's see. How about this? I have 13. Okay. I divided by 5. What division means? You keep on subtracting. Repeatedly, you keep on subtracting 5s.
14 by 5.
So, so 5 times what is a nearby number? 5 times what is a nearby number?
3.
3.
Ma'am, reminder is 3.
Yeah, 5 times 2 is a 10. You can go till 10. But if you go above it, you'll go to a 15, which you don't have. You have 15 peanuts. Okay. You give 5, 5, 5 to each member of your family. After giving to 2 of them, you'll end up with 10 peanuts done. For that, you can't give another 5 to the next member because you have to have 15 peanuts. You have only 13. So what is the remaining? 3. Yes. How about this? 5, 1, 2. If you divide by 5, what will be the remainder, Shankari? What will be the remainder if I divide it by 5?
Closest என்ன இருக்கும்?
5 or closest.
2. Because keep telling the multiplication table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. It will always end with a 5 or a 0. So you can go till 510, but after that you can't go to 515. You have 2 as your remainder. Aditi, did you get it?
Yeah.
Division. See, one thing what you need to understand is multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Repeatedly you go on adding. Let's say if I ask you to do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Kamala knows this because last week she was able to answer this. What is this? She said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 repeated 5 times. See, repeated addition is multiplication.
Yeah.
Whereas division is new to you, I know, but doesn't matter. Division is just splitting. That is repeatedly you subtract. You know, so let's have a big number 10. If you go on subtracting, minus 2, minus 2. So this becomes 8. Now 8 minus 2 becomes 6. So you repeatedly go on subtracting. So if you take away 5 2's, you will get nothing, right? So instead you can say 10 divided by 2 is a 5. See, 5 times you subtract the 2, then you'll get nothing. No remainders. Make sense, guys?
Yes.
See, how about you? Ananya G.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me, guys. Ananya G, I wanted to know. You're not opening your mouth. I want you to open your mouth, Ananya. Or maybe I am not hearing.
Yeah.
You got it?
Miss Priya.
Ananya, 1 minute, Amma. I want you to know from you. Ananya, did you get?
Yeah.
Good, okay. Tell me, what's that, Srimitran? You were about to say something. I asked you to wait.
I want to go to the bathroom.
Go quickly and come back. Okay. So my intent is to make you understand this. Now, what is this? Division, I said repeated. Subtraction, right? 72 divided by 12. How to do this? This is so hard, right?
Priya,
Uh,
I know the answer.
so what did you do? You tell me, what did you do, Shankari?
I did 12 times 6, which is 72.
Good job. See, division. See, all this follows fact family. Let's see this one. What is the fact family for 75 divided by 12? Division goes with if you write fact families, division goes with multiplication, addition goes with subtraction. Fact family in addition, subtraction, I have already taught you last year, right? Let's say two numbers, 5 plus 2 equal to 7, right? I've also told you the bigger number comes from two smaller number addition. So if the bigger number is here, there has to be subtraction to get the other number. The biggest number is here, there has to be subtraction to get the other number, right? So this is the fact family for addition subtraction. For, for division, I want to show you one another fact family. Now you all know 2 times 3 is a 6, right? Or 3 times 2 is a 6. You all know multiplication. When you want to write the fact family, you take the biggest number and divide with the other number. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is a 3. Does that make sense?
Yes.
You take the biggest number, then you perform division. Take the biggest number, you perform subtraction to get the other number. Make sense? Now I am asking, suppose if you're given, see here, 6 divided by 2. How to find out? Division is hard. Go from multiplication. You all know multiplication, right? Smaller number times what number will give you this biggest number?
Governor.
Smallest number times what number gives you the biggest number?
3.
3. See? Good job. Now how about this? 15, I know we didn't go to your syllabus at all, but we are discussing strategy. This is also very, very important, guys. This lays the foundation. Let's see, how about this? 15 divided by 3. Who wants to volunteer to answer? Go ahead, Vishwa.
15 divided by 3 is so should
Okay. I'll help you. 3 times what is 15?
3 times 5.
That's it. Answer is 5. Biggest number, when you divide by a smaller number, then you find out what should be multiplied with the smaller number to get the biggest number. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, how about this? 24 divided by 2 is what? Who is
24
correct?
divided
Yes,
by
Shankari, go ahead.
12.
How did you get that?
I did 2 times 12.
2 times what is 24? The biggest number is this. So multiply the two small numbers to get the biggest number. Ananya G, I want you to answer this one. 18 divided by 3. Ananya G. 3 times what is 18?
6.
6. Good job. You all got division, basic division. Now, this is a little hard. 72 divided by 12, right? What do you do? See, for that, I really want you to you have to improve to a point where, hey, I know 5 times 12 is 60. You know 5 times table, 12. 5 times 12 is a 60, so 12 times 5 is a 60. If 12 times 5 is a 60, 72 is 12 more. So 12 times 6 is a 72. Makes sense? So answer is 6. Okay, now the next one, Kamala, how did you add this, ma? And Adya as well. You might have gotten the answers for this. How did you add? Adya or Kamala, explain.
I added 23 plus 47 first. Then I found the answer to that, added that to 52. And then when I got the answer from that, I added that to 38.
You know what? Okay, you have to remember that tens, hundreds are our friends in mathematics. You have to make tens and hundreds. Okay, when you add or subtract, try making tens and hundreds, you'll be way faster. Here, see, 7 and 3 make up a 10, right? So add the tens first. 4 tens, 2 tens, 6 tens, and these two make up 1 10. 7 tens. 7 tens means what number? 70. Now make up, see, 8 and 2 are friends. Why? Because they make up 10. Now how many tens? 8 tens and then one more 10. 9 tens. What is that number? 90. 90 and 70 make up? 9 tens and 7 tens make up how many tens?
160.
16 tens, which is 160. It is hard. Okay, initially it is hard. I'll keep emphasizing every week. Okay, so here let's see this one. 45 plus 24 plus 16 plus 35. Who wants to try this? I want one volunteer so that everybody understands the mistake as well. Make mistakes. The volunteer has to make mistakes too. So don't worry about making mistakes. Who's going to try? Aru, you want to try this one?
I
Yeah.
want to try, Miss Priya.
You want to try? Yeah. Okay. Aru and Srimitran, I'll give you. Wait. Aru, go ahead.
190.
How did you do that?
So I added all
Wait,
the
Vishwa.
tens.
1 minute. Vishwa, I had asked Aru because I feel bad if I don't give the turn to her. Aru, go ahead.
So it's 45 plus 35 make up a 10 because 5 plus 5 equals 10. So the answer would be 45 plus 35 equals 80 because
Good. Next. Keep going.
and then 24 plus 16 also make up a 10. So 24 plus 16 equals
2, 3. And then 110. 2, 3,
40.
40. So add these two quick.
120.
8. See, ma. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write the 12 and add the 0. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how about this? This one is easy, guys. See, next week I want to see 10 questions answered perfectly fine. 21 times 30. How will you guys do it? Akshara, can you try this one? Ananya, please wait, ma. I know that you know. Akshara, go ahead. Akshara, okay. Guys, see here. Yeah, Srimithan, what was that?
Can I tell the answer?
You want to, okay, tell the answers. Okay, tell.
First, we need to do 21 times 3. Then
Okay, how did you do 21 times 3?
put 321. Need to put 3 21s, then add them. So that makes
Okay.
60,
60?
63.
Good job.
And then put the extra 0 at the 30.
Good job. Okay, guys, let me show you this one. Guys, all of you, please listen. This is completely new to you. Okay. So if I want to do 15 times 2, right, guys? Okay, 15 times 2, split the bigger number into 2 pieces. 10 and 5. Split the bigger number into 2 pieces. Okay, then perform multiplication with this 2 on both. When you perform multiplication, 10 times 2 is 20. 2 times 5 is a 10. Add both, what do you get? 30. Make sense? 16 times 5, who's going to help me? Split it into 10 and 6.
And then 5 into 10 is 50. And then 5 into 6 is 60.
5 into 6 is 60.
No, 5 into 6 is 60.
Okay, I want someone to help him. What is 5 into 6?
Man.
30. So the total is what? 80. Okay, now let's go ahead. Sometimes I'll make mistakes as well. You're going to correct me. Let's move on. Okay. How about this? 23 times 5. Who's going to help me? Come on, guys. Aditi, at some point I want you to help me. 23 times 5. Split it into 20 and 3. Perform multiplication on both with the 5. What is the answer? What is 20 times 5? What is 20 times 5? 5 times 2 only you need to do.
I know.
Hmm?
10.
10 and then add the 0. 20 times 5 is 100. 5 times 3 is what, Maditi?
Explain.
15. Add both together, 115. Shreyank, you want to go ahead with this? 42 times 3? 42 times 3.
You right here.
Adya, did you get how to do this, Adya?
Yes.
Okay, can you explain to me one? 42 times 3?
126.
120?
6.
126. Good job. 40 times 3 is 120. 3 times 2 is 6. Add both together. Okay, can I move on now? Okay, I'll anyway revise next week. Let me see. Kamala, can we try this one together? 489 plus 632 minus 285. This is so hard, right? But there is an estimate given. You know how to estimate. What is estimate? Estimating means don't see in your school you'll round this to a 10. We don't want to round it. Okay. So what do we do? I know. What do you do? I know. Okay, approximately you can round it, but the see easiest way here is you have to subtract one of this, add one of this. Okay. So what will I do? 490, 49 tens.
Miss Priya, I think you're going too fast. I'm not able to catch up.
You're not able to catch up. 1 minute. Shreyank, was that you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you. Now, how do you round? We are going to estimate it. We are not going to correctly calculate this. Approximate answer is what we want. Right? So, 489 and all is hard to add. When you have estimate, right, then it just means that you're going to go near the answer. So, how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there?
10.
10 hundreds are there, right? Yeah. So that's going to become 1,000, right? And then this one, can I give it another 100?
Yeah.
Another 100. Easily I can give it another 100, correct? So 1,100 minus 285, right? How am I going to take away 285? In 1,100, first take away 100. I will arrive at 1,000. Then again take away 100, 900. Again the 85, right, can be rounded to another 100. So what happens? 800 is your answer. Okay, this estimation piece is a little tough, guys. Okay, let me stop this here. But at least till here, you should be able to do next week. Make sense?
Yes.
I won't give the same questions next week. Okay, there'll be a different set of questions, but it will follow the pattern. Okay?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
you know the 77 question homework? I think it was a little too much. I only did 15.
You only did 15.
Yeah. 50. 50.
You didn't have time.
I think it was a little too much.
Why don't you do it this week, Shreyank?
Okay.
Yeah, will you come back and tell me what happened next week? Can you finish it this week?
Yeah.
Thanks. And do the work at least 2, 3 of 5 that I give this week.
Yeah, Auntie,
Yes.
I sent my homework a little late.
No,
Yeah.
I saw that. I was completely fine with it. It was too good.
Priyanti?
See that you're doing it nicely. Yes, ma.
So like in homework, when you gave us 44 to 61, I accidentally I didn't know I didn't see the to 61. I only did question 40, 4, 45, and 46 because I thought we only were supposed to do question 44.
Okay, can you finish it this week?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll have those. I will have those I will have those as my feedback to you for those questions, okay? Aru, I want you to submit it again then. You got it? Aru, but you have not submitted as well. Why don't you submit it next week completely? Even those 3 questions you have not submitted. Can you submit it this week? Aru?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Any other questions? Okay, guys. Shreyank, was the first 9 questions okay?
Yeah.
First 9 questions were not bad, right?
Yeah. First time.
Okay. I'll give you more to practice at home. Do it and come back and at least touch 12 of those questions. Let's see. Okay? You can figure out your own ways, guys. You can figure out and teach us in class. Okay, numbers, you have to figure out several things. Okay? Let's see you next week. Enjoy the summer as well, guys.
Excellent.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you all next week.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.
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 Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Bye, Priya.
Bye, Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye. Ma.
Bye.
Bye.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
I'm almost done with the homework. I'll try to submit it tomorrow.
You, I am happiest, Kamala, to hear that. I will wait for you to see what you did.
Okay.
Do you remind your mom to upload?
Huh?
Do you remind your mom to upload?
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye-bye.